In the maths kit, another very useful TLM is this place value strips. Using these place value strips, we can understand how to learn place value from place value strips. Red for 1000, green for hundreds, blue for tens, and yellow for units. This is how we denote the colors. This is EVA foam. This is made with EVA material. For units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. We can make 5 also. After knowing the value of each place, 5 or 6, how to make this for place 5 and 6 also can be learnt. Now we have EVA foams with us. We can make this using EVA foams. If EVA foams are not available, it can be done using thick white sheet or drawing sheet. It can be painted yellow, blue, green, and red color. Different place values can be marked. Why coloring is important? By coloring, we will know the place value of a number. Now, let us cut the EVA foam as strips. While cutting the strips, when we are cutting these strips, we should keep in mind it should not damage the table. So keep something below the foams. Check the width and shape it to size. Like this, red for thousands, green for hundreds, blue for tens, and yellow for units. We cut strips for different place values. Now mark the numbers, right? Let us write it. What do we see here? In each place we see 0 to 9. 0 to 9 we should write. Let us make the place 10 strip. While making tens strip, there are 2 places, right? 2 digits, right? Let us mention 2 numbers. Divide the strip into 2 by drawing a line in between. So for every place we must write the number. Here place value strip is ready. We have prepared two sets. One is slightly thicker EVA foam, the other is made with thin EVA foam. We have already written all numbers. In this, we need to note a point. All numbers should be written in local language also, Hindi, Gujarati. They use numbers in local language also. On the reverse side, we can mention numbers in the respective native language. So, we can teach children numbers in English and in their native languages simultaneously. Like this, when children prepare place value strips themselves, they will learn about places, they will learn why they should write the 0. It will be naturally understood. So, when children prepare the place value strips themselves, they will learn place values even better. Now, using these place value strips, let us make a number. 4,000. I am randomly picking up a number. 835. 4,000, 4,000s, 800s, 3 tenths and 5 units. Like this, I am displaying number with the place value strips that I have made myself. It can be shown. Similarly, we can use the reverse side to show the number in the native language. So, when children prepare place value strip themselves, they will learn about the places even better. The way we prepared the place value strip, decimal value strip, which is part of the TLM, this is the decimal value strip. It can be made using the same material, like shown here, 1/10, 100. Both can be cut on EVA foams or using thick cardboard. We can make this decimal value strips.